Hello everyone, and welcome to DelftStack. If you need to remotely turn on a powered off or sleeping computer using AnyDesk's Wake-on-LAN feature, it requires a specific hardware and software setup. Importantly, you must have at least one other active device running AnyDesk on that exact same local network to relay the wake signal. I have verified the latest configuration steps, and I will show you exactly how to set this up right now. Let's get started. First, your computer's motherboard needs hardware-level permission to accept remote power commands. Restart your PC and repeatedly press the Delete, F2, or F10 key during startup to enter your system's BIOS or UEFI menu. Navigate to the Power Management or Advanced tab. Locate the setting called Wake-on-LAN or Power On by PCIe and switch it to Enabled. Save these new settings and let your computer boot into Windows normally. Next, you must prepare your operating system's network card to constantly listen for the remote signal. Right-click the Windows Start button and launch Device Manager. Expand your network adapters list. Right-click your primary Ethernet adapter and select Properties. Click on the Power Management tab, then check the box that says Allow this device to wake the computer. Additionally, make sure the Only allow a magic packet to wake the computer option is also checked. Finally, open the AnyDesk application on the machine you want to wake. Click the main menu icon in the upper right corner and choose Settings. Locate the Wake-on-LAN category and ensure it is toggled to Enabled. Now, whenever you try to connect to this offline computer from a remote location, AnyDesk will display a Power On prompt, utilizing the other active device on your local network to instantly wake up your machine. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching.